Kindly subscribe for more amazing content.
Yo, it is quite obvious that in today's world, the internet is where a lot of people are cashing out. So if you're not doing anything on the internet and all that you do with your mobile phone is to scroll on Instagram, look at Twitter, laugh on TikTok, then bro, sister, you're missing out. You need to get yourself involved. Now, I know a lot of people talk about you have small following, you have small number of people with you. So how do you get on it, bro, sister? Nobody started with 1,000 followers or 2,000 followers. You need to start as small as you can. First of all, you need to make sure your content is appealing and it's on the internet. You see, the most amazing part of content creation is that you create one content and you can put it on all the other platforms. You create a content for TikTok, you can put it on Facebook, you can put it on Instagram, you can put it on YouTube. Just one content, you're putting it across 4 platforms or 5 platforms. That is amazing. So you don't really have an excuse. All you need to do is to look good. You get me? Yes. You need to look presentable in your videos, and that is all. And know exactly what you're talking about, and you're good to go. YouTube pays around $20 to $30 for about 6,000 views. And bro, people are getting hundreds of thousands of views within a month. So you can imagine that could be a very cool cash. And when you start something, when you want to start blogging, vlogging, any of the online businesses, you really need to do your research. For YouTube, I have a community that we share tips on how to start a YouTube channel from fresh. There are a few settings you need to enable, find a niche, and you'll be good to go. The next thing we can actually talk about on this is agriculture. In Africa, we are farmers, or most of us are farmers. Our parents are from the farmlands, and specifically in Ghana, you can actually engage in farming and make good profits. I know people into rice farming, maize farming, yam farming, cassava farming, and even with tree crop farming like cashew and cocoa, and they're really doing very well on these farms. You need to All you need to do, yes, is to do your research on these things and actually get yourself involved. The next thing I'll actually advise is you should get on to sell something. You have to sell something. There are about 30 million people in Ghana, and if you're not selling anything to these people, you're not going to make any money. You get it? So you need to get involved, sell something. If you have nothing to sell, or you have no idea of what to sell, just look at your mom or your dad. He is selling something. He is doing something. Just think of ways you can improve your mom's store, ways you can improve your dad's store to actually make more cash. Strike a deal with your dad, strike a deal with your mom, start selling their goods, and you're good to go. You can actually do this on the internet. You can do it personally on your status. You know, try the most common thing we don't have in Ghana is branding, and people love branded items. Once you're able to brand a particular commodity, you make it look more appealing, and people actually buy it at higher prices, feeling that it is better than the unbranded ones, and which is actually true. Anything that looks appealing is actually better than the one that is not appealing. You will not buy banana with mixed with rotten ones and you think the rotten ones are better than the good looking ones. It doesn't work that way. So I'm giving you 3 out of that. The next thing you can actually do is look at affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Jumia is offering an affiliate marketing program. You can affiliate, you can become an affiliate with Jumia and actually earn by selling their product. You can become an affiliate with Betway if you're a guy or if you know sports betting. You can become a bet influencer. I have video on that. You can go to my channel and look for how to become a bet influencer, and you just have to share your booking code with people and you can earn. In agriculture again, maybe you're living in Accra, you don't have farmland, but you really want to farm, or you really want to get into the farm business. If you have some cash lying down, you can actually invest in farming activities like commodities. Okay, Growth for Me Ghana is in partnership with MTN. So all you need to do is to input the amount of cash you can invest in this farming commodities: maize, rice, soybeans. I also have a video on that. You can check it out. You can just go there, um, invest, and wait for 3 4 months. Look at your profit margins and withdraw your money. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the next I'll also talk about is drop shipping. Yes, drop shipping. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is simply buying and putting an online store out there and purchasing the things from abroad and selling it to the people here locally. So you can order things from China. A lot of ways you can do import services from China right now. It's becoming more and more easier these days. So you can easily do these things and earn massively in these things. But the key takeaway I want you to take away from this video is what? Knowledge is power. In anything you want to do, any of the business ideas I've just mentioned, all you need is to make sure you have enough or in-depth knowledge on these things before you actually start them. Because without knowledge, you are bound to fail. Without knowledge, even if you have 100,000 Ghana cedis or 1 million Ghana cedis and you put it in any of these things, you're going to fail. It's true. So whether you want to sell pure water, you want to sell bread, you want to sell kinky, you want to sell rice, you need knowledge. Read around these things, ask questions, do your research properly before you actually go into these things. My name is Conservative Gordon Yin, and you are welcome to this YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit on the bell notification, and I'll see you on the next one.